We will see now geometric mean. Geometric mean. What is geometric mean? If we have n observations, x1, x2 up to xn, okay? The number of observations is n. We find geometric mean g by this formula: x1 into x2 into x3 into up to xn to the power 1 by n. That is, geometric mean is the nth root of the product of the individual variables, value of the variables. This is geometric mean. For example, if we have, let's say, three values. For example, we have three values. Let's say 8, 27 and 64. These are three observations. These are x. And we have to find the geometric mean. How will we do that? Geometric mean will be equal to 8 into 27 into 64 1 by 3. That is the cubic root of this. What is this? These are products, so we can write this is 8 to the power 1 by 3, then 27 to the power 1 by 3 into 64 to the power 1 by 3. So this is 2 into 3 into 4. So this is 24. Therefore, the geometric mean is 24. This is how we calculate geometric mean. Next is harmonic mean. What is harmonic mean? It is reciprocal of the arithmetic mean of the reciprocal of the value of the variables. What is the meaning? Harmonic mean is the reciprocal, that is, this is 1 by n of arithmetic mean of reciprocal of the values. So what we do? I equal to 1 to n 1 by xi, reciprocal of the values. That is how we find harmonic mean. It will be equal to 1 by n, 1 by x1 plus 1 by x2 and so on to 1 by xn. This is harmonic mean. One of the most popular examples for harmonic mean is the average speed. So you find average speed, the average speed is actually the harmonic mean. So this is how we find out harmonic mean. If we had to find the harmonic of mean of this data 8, 27 and 64, it will be, I am writing it here. The harmonic mean will be 1 by 3, 1 by 8 plus 1 by 27 by 1 by 64. So this will be harmonic mean. What about the value? Let's find out the geometric mean of the following data: 6, 7, 8, 13, 12, 5. So there are altogether 6 data. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How do we find the geometric mean? Geometric mean is, there are 6 data. So we'll have to take the 6th root. That is 1 by 6 to the power 1 by 6. That is 6 into 7 into 8 into 13 into 12 into 5. Then to the power 1 by 6. This is the geometric mean. So let me, this comes to 262080 to the power 1 by 6. So if you are an engineering student, you are allowed to use the calculator. If not, you can you must be provided with log tables. You can do it by log also. It comes to 511.94. So this is the geometric mean. Now we will see an example on harmonic mean. The most useful application of this is in calculating the average speed. If, let's say, if a person goes from this point A to B at a speed of 10 kilometers per hour, and this distance is, let's say, 5 kilometers. Then from here to another point C, The person travels at 20 km per hour, and this distance is, let's say, 2 kilometers. And again from here to fourth point D, the distance is 6 kilometers and the speed is 30 kilometers per hour. So if we have to find the average speed, we use harmonic motion. How? What we do? Average speed is total distance by total time taken. Very simple. Let's say, what is the total distance? 5 plus 2 plus 6, 7 plus 6, 13 kilometers. 13 kilometers. And total time taken. How will calculate the total time taken? Time taken to get from A to B, then time taken from B to C, and then from C to D. What is time taken? We know that speed is equal to distance by time. So time is equal to distance by speed. So T1, T2, T3, let's say this is the time 1. So this will be equal to distance is 5 kilometers and speed is 10, plus distance is 2 kilometers, speed is 20, and here distance is 6 and this is 30. So this is the harmonic mean. Let's get the value of this. How we will get? This will be equal to 13 by, let's say we take this as common, 30. So this is 10 3 ja, so 5 3 15, 5 3 ja 15, 20 into 1.5, so 2 into 1.5 is 3, and 30 plus 6. So this will be equal to 13 into 30 by 15 plus 3, 18, 18 plus 6, 24. So this is 24. It comes to 16.25 kilometers per hour. So this is how we use harmonic motion to find the average speed. So we actually saw 5 measures of central tendencies: arithmetic mean, median, mode, geometric mean, harmonic mean. So this is all about the measures of central tendency. I think you must have understood the meaning and how to calculate, how to compute these tendencies. So now we will see the measures of dispersance in the next lecture. Thank you.